Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share with you all the solution video of this challenge lab, protect sensitive data with data loss prevention. Okay, let's start. Click on start lab. Okay, after the lab starts, the very first thing you all need to do is open the cloud console in the incognito window. Now, now come back to this lab window and copy the password. Click on next. Now paste the password you copied and then click on next again. Click on I understand. Okay, now your console is open. A pop-up will appear. Click on term I agree and continue. Now you need to activate your Cloud Shell. Okay, firstly activate the Cloud Shell. Till the time it is activating, come back to the lab again. We will be moving forward to the task 1. Now for this task 1, I will be providing a document link in the description box. Open that document, copy and paste the whole code in a notepad. You can also use the online notepad. Now go back to the lab and copy this bucket name. Okay, now come over here, paste this over here. Make sure there's no space between equals to and the lab, sorry, the bucket name. Now control A and copy the whole code. Now move again to the Cloud Shell window, click on continue. As your Cloud Shell opens, now paste it over here, paste the whole code that you copied over here and click on enter. Click on authorize. And your task is done. Now come back over the lab and click on check my progress. You will see your assessment is completed. Okay, we are done with task 1. Now I'm moving forward to task 2. This is a bit difficult task and please make sure that you're following the steps clearly. Okay, let's start. For this, firstly you need to come back over here in the cognitive window, search here security. Okay, now click on this. Just a minute, sorry. You just need to open this, search security, and open this in a new tab. It will be easy. Now as this tab opens, scroll down and click on this data loss prevention. Okay, next, next, done. Okay, now you have to click on this configuration. Okay, as the window opens, first click on de-identify, then click on create template. Okay, now once this window opens, all you need to do is select the template type. Here you need to select record. For the template ID, you just need to go back to the lab page and copy this name. Okay, make sure there are no spaces copied, only the lab template name, and just paste it over here. Now rest everything remains the same. Click on continue. Now in the field or the column names, first we need to do is go back to the lab page. See, here the fields are given. Select this bank name. Make sure you don't copy the comma. Come back over here, paste it over here and click on enter. Now go back to the lab page again. Copy this zip code and come over here and paste it over here again and click on enter. Okay, in the transformation type, we will be choosing primitive only. And for the transformation methods, we need to choose mask with character. Okay, now for the characters to ignore, click on none. Okay, now we'll come back. Masking character was hash only, and as we can see that it is already selected as hash, so nothing needs to be done. Now we are done with the A part. Okay, now for the second part, for the second transformation rule, click on add transformation rule. Now we'll go back again, and we are given the field as message. So copy this and paste it over here and click on enter. Okay, here the transformation type would be match on info type. Okay, now click on add transformation. For the transformation method, here we would select replace with info type name. Okay, and now everything remains the same. All you need to do is simply click on create. Now as you can see, we are done with the first template. Now again you need to go back to the lab window. Now we also need to create one more template with this name. We'll just copy this, go back over here. Okay, click on data loss prevention. Again, click on configuration, de-identify, create template. And now this time we will choose info type, which is already by default marked as that. So now in the template ID, we will paste the name we copied earlier. Okay, click on continue. Now in the transformation method, choose replace. Okay, now everything remains the same. Click on create. And you can see that your template 2 is also created. Now we'll come back over the lab page and check our progress. You can see that your assessment 2 is also completed. Now we are coming to task 3, which is a easy one. All we need to do is again go back to this page in the Cognito window, click on data loss prevention. Here click on inspection. Now just directly click on create job and triggers. Okay, so here in the job ID, we will be going back to the lab page and copying this job ID given to us. Okay, now moving back over here, paste it over here. In the location storage type, you have to select Google Cloud Storage, which we are given in the lab. Okay, now for the sampling thing, we will have to choose it till 100. Okay, as we are given here, sampling would be 100%. Now here for the location type, we need to choose scan a bucket with optional include exclude rules. Okay, for the bucket name, click on browse and select the first one with the input. Here input is mentioned. Okay, select this one, select. You can also match it with the name you are given, so we have to select this one. Okay, now come back over here. We have done the sampling to 100%. For the sampling method, we have to select no sampling. Now click on continue. Now again scroll down and click on continue. In the add actions page, you have to enable this option, make a de-identified copy. Now in this field, just click on it, select this drop down, select this from the drop down. And now for the URL, you need to copy the URL from the lab. You are already given this URL. Just need to copy this from here and paste it over here. Okay, that's all. Now you just need to click on continue. Now in this schedule, you have to select create a trigger to run the job on the periodic schedule. From the trigger scan repeats, select weekly. Now click on continue. Okay, now scroll down, click on create. Click on confirm create and just wait for it to be created. Now, when we are on this page, you need to click on run now. A pop-up will appear on the bottom. Click on go to triggered job and you will see here it is coming pending. When the status is changed to done, we will see that our task 3 is also completed. So wait for this to be done. To get it done, we'll wait for some time. It would take 2 to 3 minutes only. Yeah, now the status is changed to done. So go back to the lab page, click on check my progress, and you will see that your task is completed. Congratulations, you have got this skill badge successfully. Thank you. Have a great day.